Good evening, everyone. This is Unit 1 of IEL Chemistry, June 2020, and this exam was conducted in October. Unit 1 of New Specification. This session, I'll discuss first of 5 MCQs. What is the empirical formula for butane? So, the general formula for alkanes CnH2n plus 2. So, but means 4 carbons, so it will be C4, and H2n plus 2, so it will be 10. And the simplest ratio between 4 and 10, that is 2n. 5. So B is the right answer. When zinc is added to copper 2 sulfate solution, copper is formed. Which of these is the best name for this type of a reaction? So this is a displacement reaction in which the more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal from its compound. So it turned into zinc sulfate plus copper. So we call that as a displacement. And what is the ionic half equation for the process that takes place during this reaction? So zinc atom changes into zinc ion, and copper ion it changes into copper atom. So copper ion changes to copper atom. Copper ion here copper plus 2 changes to plus 1, so that's not right. Copper plus 2 changes to copper atom, not plus 1. So zinc atom changes to zinc ion, but that is by loss of 2 electrons. So the correct answer is D. How many molecules are there in 44 grams of carbon monoxide? So to get the number of the molecules, first we should know the moles. So moles equal mass in gram divided by molar mass. So mass in gram is 44, and molar mass carbon monoxide, so which is CO, carbon is 12, oxygen 16, so that's 28. So we'll get the moles, and 1 mole of a substance contain 6.02 into 10 to power 23. So this is 1 mole of a substance, or the number of the moles. 1 mole contains 6 exponent 23. So these many moles, 44 divided by 28, will contain 6.02 into 10 to power 23. So we'll get the total number of the molecules here, which will be 9.46 into 10 to power 23. A compound has a relative molecular formula of 84. Its composition by mass is 71.4% carbon, 9.6% hydrogen, and 19% oxygen. What is the molecular formula of the compound? So to get the molecular formula, first we should know the empirical formula. A compound which is having carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So 71.4 carbon, 9.6 hydrogen, and 19 oxygen. The total sum should be 100. So 71.4 divided by 12, because the first step divide by atomic mass, so carbon should be divided by 12, hydrogen divided by 1, and oxygen divided by 16. So this will come out 5.95, this will be 9.6, and 19 divided by 16, which is 1.18. Then divide by smallest value, 1.18 is the smallest value. So 5.95 divided by 1.18, which is 5. 9.6 divided by 1.18, which is 8. And 1.18 divided by, so this would be 1. So the empirical formula of this compound is C5H8NO. And the molecular formula is equals to empirical formula times N. And where N is the molar molecular mass divided by empirical mass. Molecular mass is 84, and empirical mass carbon is 12 multiplied by 5, which is 60, plus oxygen is 16, and hydrogen is 1 into 8. So this will be 60 plus 8 hydrogen are there, so 60 plus 8, 68, and oxygen is 16, so that will make 74, 84, sorry. So the value of the N here, which is molecular mass divided by empirical mass, that is 84. So when we divide, it will be 1. So it means if value of N is 1, the molecular formula will be same as empirical formula, and the empirical formula was C5H8O. So the molecular formula is also C5H8O. The formula of barium chloride BaCl2, which is correct for barium chloride. So barium chloride is an ionic compound. It cannot be a molecule. It is a compound, that's true. Empirical formula of barium chloride is BaCl. Empirical formula, the simplest ratio is 1 is to 2, not 1 is to 1. And relative molecular mass of barium chloride is 172, which is also wrong because it is 137.3 plus 35.5 times 2, which will be about 208. So the correct option is B, that barium chloride is a compound. In the next session, I'll discuss more questions from this paper.